Hello.
Hello guys.
Welcome back to the Hourglass Kitchen.
Yes, we are going to be using a new item that we purchased called the Double Up. It is a skillet and a oven in one. We did a review on it, so I'll have that link in the description box below. So stay tuned and let's see just how good this works.
Okay. It's fine, baby.
Okay guys, I have a confession to make. Hubby and I are in the dark. So our light bulb just blew out in the kitchen. And we're going to still have to make this work. So I'm sure you all can see the grill here. And the first thing we're going to do, we have both sides available to us. So we're going to do shrimp fajitas. And what I'm going to do on one side, I'm going to go ahead and just add my oil. So when we plug it up, both sides are heating up. So it's not like we have the option to heat one side and heat the other side. So both sides are heating up. So we're going to add a little oil, a little olive oil here. Just a little bit. Let's get things going. And we're going to start with our veggies first. Here we're doing some bell peppers, onions, red and green and yellow bell peppers. Go ahead and put that on there. I think that's enough bell peppers. Save that bait. And here we have some onions. And I think that's enough onions. Just a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and let them saute a little bit. Now, to be honest with you, hubby and I just turned this on. So it heats up really fast. I will say that. It does heat up really fast. I think this is going to really work. I can see myself, you know, cooking pancakes on one side and bacon on the other side, or, you know, some type of French toast on one side. I can see me doing a lot of things with this. And it, you know, like I said, it also, you can do chicken and put it in the oven. What do you think, babe, so far?
Looking good.
Looking good? He's talking about me or the fajita? Okay. Anyway, I brought that one on myself. So we're gonna go down, and I'm sauteing the fajitas first because I'm sauteing my veggies first because the shrimp, we don't want them to cook too long, and so when we add those shrimp, they'll be kind of ready to go. The veggies will be, you know, nice and bite-sized. So on there, I didn't do the turn on, babe. Did they have a, oh, it's good, look at that, guys. My little spatula fits perfect on it. I love it. So does it have a different in temperature control?
Nope.
Okay. I saw a green and a red. So what does that mean?
Oh, one says power and the other one says heat.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, I guess it lets you know that the power is on, and the other one lets you know the heat is on.
Okay.
That it's heating up at that time.
Alright, so let's see.
I guess again, like an oven, you put it in the oven mode when you close it. It'll let you know that the heat is running.
Okay. You want to try, babe? Or you just watching me?
I'm just watching you, baby.
You just watching me? Okay.
So what you gonna put on this side?
I'm gonna let my sister see this. On the other side, I was thinking about doing the flowers tortilla. And that looks so good, and it's really breaking them vegetables down. Looks like it's gonna be an easy cleanup as well.
Yeah,
I think we can add our shrimp. So guys, no, we're gonna use them. We're ready to actually make it because it's gonna cook too fast.
Okay.
And I see that thing is really, really good. I'm gonna go ahead on and add these shrimp. I'm gonna put them right here, babe. Can I play with it, babe? I love that it works. You know, I have this spatula just to hang on the sides, and it's deep enough to hook on there really good. So now I've added the shrimp. And to the shrimp, I'm going to put some fajita seasoning on them. Make sure each shrimp got a good little bit of fajita seasoning going on. Okay. That should do it.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey.
So we're going to go ahead on and put our tortilla right here. Looks like I can go just one at a time. That's fine. Meanwhile, let me go ahead on and take my food off. So guys, so far, I am liking everything. Look at there. I mean, that just came out perfect. Yeah, I am really, really liking it. And it looks like it's very easy to clean up. They even gave me a little charcoal on my peppers. Like a little grill look on my peppers from the fajita seasoning. Uh-oh. Nope, you gotta be on this side, buddy. Okay. So, just flip that over.
I think it'll work.
Think it'll work? So, watch your arm, baby. I'm going to set those right there. And got my tortilla right here. Got my, shrimp here. And my fajitas. My shrimp fajitas. Oh my goodness. It looks really, really good, guys. So. Okay, guys. So, I'm going to turn that over right quick. That's one. Nice and toasted, that one. So, here we go. Now, this will work.
Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, see more videos, and it's time to eat.